In this video, you will learn from A to Z how to properly carry out Amazon product research, and if you stick to the end I will share with you how to start a 7-figure Amazon business guide. If you have not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to be notified every time I post a new video. What is Amazon product research? Amazon product research is the process of finding opportunity on the Amazon e-commerce marketplace by looking for products and product niches where there is both existing demand and low competition, so that you can confidently launch a new product and profitably scale it without guessing as to what product will sell successfully. Amazon product research is all about analyzing current market trends to choose winning items, something that can generate high sales. The idea is to search for products that you can get for cheap and yet sell for competitive prices with a good profit margin in return. Importance of product research. The most crucial step as an Amazon seller is to find a good viable product that has high demand, low competition, and can be private labeled. You need to list down the best-selling products that you desire to sell on Amazon on an Excel sheet or Google Sheet so that you're able to carry out competitive analysis properly. Then, do a deep analysis if similar items are making enough sales. This step is important because you don't want to sell items that people are not even searching for or have any demand for. After you have written down the list of potentially profitable products, further steps are involved, such as looking at each product sales volume, review count, and keyword search volume of similar products. Amazon product criteria. For any potential products that you want to sell on Amazon, make sure that they meet all of the following criteria. Products that make at least 10 sales a day. Similar products that feature a bestseller rank of at least 5,000 in the main category. The top 3 related keywords have 50,000 plus monthly searches on Amazon. Not seasonal products. They can be sold year-round. 2 to 3 products with less than 50 reviews on the first page. Small and lightweight products, under 2 to 3 pounds. No brand names or trademarks associated with the product. Proper room for product optimization and improvement of present listings. Multiple product-related keyword opportunities. Quick and easy product sourcing from China. The product should not be fragile. Ability to expand your brand with related products. Can make a superior product over similar products in the market. The product encourages recurring purchases. The product should not have any legal issues. Products with huge demand. Products with 40% profit margin. Low competition products. Products whose price points range between $18 and less than $50, so that you can capitalize on non-analytical buyers. Lightweight and small. These types of products tend to generate better sales than the ones that are not. This is due to 2 reasons: 1, lower shipping charges, and 2, reduced storage fees. How to do a product research on Amazon. This process can be done either manually or with the aid of software tools that have been officially authorized by Amazon. These tools integrate with the Amazon's marketplace via your Amazon seller account. The 2 most popular are Jungle Scout and Helium 10. My recommendation is to use Helium 10 since you can input a majority of your ideal product's criteria all at once and narrow your search effectively and correctly with little error. Doing it manually is time-consuming and can lead to massive errors, resulting in loss of large sums of investment capital. So what is Helium 10? Helium 10 is an e-commerce suite of tools for entrepreneurs and businesses to manage and sell products, find keywords, identify trends, optimize listings, streamline advertising campaigns, and more on the Amazon e-commerce market. If you need more detailed information on how to launch and run successfully an Amazon business, download the How to Start a 7-Figure Amazon Business Guide from the description below. Also, remember to comment below and let me know that you appreciate this information. Plus, be sure to check out this next video to learn more about how to run a profitable Amazon business.